To professionally install a window, that's really dependent on the home you have and your goals for your home. If you have say a Victorian style home, or if the trim, the interior trim on your home is very important, you don't want to replace trim, you don't want to get into sheetrock, then there's different installation methods to accommodate that based on the windows you have now. So if you're talking about going in and installing a vinyl window where a vinyl window used to be in vinyl siding, that installation method is going to be very different than going into a 100-year-old home that has these old ancient wood pocket replacement windows and wanting to conserve the trim on the inside of that home. So different houses call for different installation methods, but for sure, our preferred method for a vinyl window and vinyl siding would be to see that siding come off, to install a new window with a nailable flange that you can cover with window tape. Hopefully there's house wrap behind that siding. The siding can be reinstalled around it. When you're talking about going into old wood pocket homes, old 100-year-old homes, things like that, it's very important to know that you can take those sashes out, you can wrap the outside of the frames while you're doing your exterior upgrades, you can install that window, you can insulate it properly, you can do all those things and conserve the interior trim on that home, which would cut down additional cost to the homeowner as well. They don't have to worry about getting new trim, new sheetrock, new paint. So many times we can go into an existing house, replace the windows, and save all of the trim on the inside. Crew size on a window replacement project is going to be 2 to 3 guys. With the exception of large bay windows or just big bulky windows that require an additional labor to put in place. It's going to be 2 to 3 guys. You're going to have one guy that's concentrating on demo, 2 guys that are putting them back, or a guy demoing, another gentleman putting the window back in, and then someone else wrapping the frames depending on the house you're working on. But typically you're going to see 2 to 3 guys on a window replacement project. What we find with replacement times is most homeowners want to see us get in and get out as efficiently and quickly and cleanly as possible. So with the window replacement, we do try to take our time in a sense that we are going to have somebody on the inside of your home. We're going to have to be on the inside of the home to get the old window out, to receive the new window, to make sure everything's caulked properly on the inside before we leave. So we're going to try and take extra care to make sure we wear booties, put drop cloths, vacuum up behind ourselves. Things will take a little bit longer sometimes than you may want to see someone on the inside of your home, but we're going to do our best to take proper care of your home and respect it as we do our own. So a typical window replacement job, depending on the amount of windows, we would like to see 5 to 8 windows a day go in, depending on the type of project, but really, again, that could go up or down depending on the size and difficulty of what we're working on.